Hello, welcome to Tech Transform. In my last two videos, I have demonstrated how to calculate the words count. And in first example, I have covered the basics to count the word counts. But later in my just last session, I was tried to improve the words count. But that was also not the optimal. We were not able to take insight that what are the most popular words, what are the least popular words. So in for that to achieve here I'm coming with another example on top of that, and we are going to do words count, sorting of the words count from the last example. So let's get started. I've already written Spark code for that. I highly recommend to go and watch the previous videos if you directly coming and jumping to this video. So this was the last example. We were trying to cover the, let me run this and try to tell you what is the scope of improvement in this particular example. So here we are able to get the different word counts, but here not able to, by looking this results, we are not able to find out what are the most popular and what are the least popular words here. So for that I have created a new Scala object, and for that Spark program, for that I have given a name called words count sorted. So up to this the whole example is same from the previous one. I have added these new lines in order to improve our word count and to get a sorting. So usually I used to the same stuff we are doing here, importing the libraries, then the suppressing the other unwanted errors, creating a Spark context, getting the input file, counting a word, mapping, and using regex we are getting the words from the textbooks. Then we are finally converting these whole words into the lowercase, so everything should be treated as one word. In my last here we have in this improved what we are doing, we were count by value directly and getting the result, but in this I am not doing that count by value. I have commented out. Instead of that, directly calling the action in order to get the results, I am trying to uh, sort the RDD in a harder way, in a rough way, in not the pre-inbuilt methods I am directly applying. For that, what I am going to do, up to this I have lower cases of words. Then in this RDD what I am doing, I am mapping to this and converting into a tuple x comma 1. So what I am going to do, for each word I am creating a tuple like a word comma 1. So what I am going to do, finally I have this tuple from the words with 1 in the end as a tuple. Then what I'm doing, apply reduce by key. What it is going to do, reduce by key means this word become key. So reduce by key, what it will do, it will try to find that particular word or key and add that each uh, one it is going to add on every element, every words matching with that. So for each word it is going to sum. Let's say a word called scope has been used for scope comma 1, scope comma 1, so it is going to look an entire words RDD, and it will try to reduce by key, means try to add all the 1 with xy means 1 1 1 1. So finally you are going to get the word count of that particular word by using reduce by key. Then finally what I'm going to do, so here we have x comma word count, means word comma word count. I have to apply sorting. So the first value is here key value, like that word is a key and the number of count is a value. But in next here what I'm doing, I'm just flipping around the words, means taking the count to first and word to next in the tuple. That's why I can apply sort by key. So key become this, the count become the key, and now the value become the words. So that's why I can apply sort by key. So sort by key, after applying sort by key, it is going to apply sorting on the count. So that's why we are going to get the count in a sorted way. Then finally I am going to print the result in a well format. For what I am doing, took a for loop. So here this my this result underscore one tuple will give me, this item will give me the count, this item will give me the word. The second one is word. Now going to print this println word colon count. So let me run this. For that I have already created a run configuration like this. Run configuration, words count sorted. I'm running also. See, just started running. Yeah. So now we have a good sense of we can make some sense. This word count makes some sense. This is in a ascending order. You can see U has been used most of the time, so you can find insight from this. These are the normal words, but you can see that business has been used 380 times. 380 times means you can have some insight that this book is all about business related thing is inside this book. Even if you're not reading that, you can take insight that what is book about. Then product has been mentioned 182 times. Then something people has been mentioned 145 times. Customers company has been mentioned 122 times. Customers mentioned 123 times. So this will give you insight that what this book is all about. So we have improved from last from we have improved a lot of things. So I can show you what was our first example, what we were trying to do, what we were getting. So this is the very first. Here we were getting all the scramble list of the words not in a correct order. You can see this is also was treating as a word, this is also treating as a word, this also coming as a word, this also coming as a word. So after this I have made improvement and applied regex in order to get the correct word. So we improved like this. We got actual word and a count and converted into lowercase also, so that each word can be either caps lock or either any word combinations of caps lock lowercase will be treated as one word. So this was the improvement we made in our second video, and this is the last video. This in this session we made improvement, and finally we have the results in a sorted order, so we can actually get insight which words has been used most of the times in this book. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.